Okay, here's how you make my guacamole. Start out with some jalapeños. And you gotta wash them because what's next will blow your mind. I'm filming all this with the camera in my left hand, so it may look kind of janky. Give them a wash. And then you're going to want to grab a clear bowl. And put the jalapeños in the bowl. And for the magic, take it to a windowsill and let it sit in the sun for a number of days. A nice sunny spot. There you go. Now that they've turned red, we're gonna make our guacamole. So the reason I use these red jalapeños and purple onions is because I like the color that goes into them. So let's get started getting things together. Now you must have this green polka-dotted bowl. If you don't have this green polka-dotted bowl, it is not an official guacamole recipe, okay? I think there's only 2 in existence, so Jacob, you'll get one, Noah, you'll get the other. Like I said, purple onions. I'm gonna make a 2 avocado guacamole, so you just need 1 lime. Oh, and some salt. Okay, so it's salt, avocados, lime, jalapeno, and some avocados. Here we go. I'm squishing the lime up against the bowl just to get a little more juice out of it. Now you want to use about this much salt. I'm not sure how much it is, but you can taste it afterward and see if it's enough. Remember, you should probably use gloves or something like that if you're going to cut jalapenos, or just don't touch your eyes, okay? Sometimes there's bits on the jalapenos that you don't want to use after they've aged, so just discard them. But look at how nice that color is. Supposedly, the number 1 cause of emergency room visits is trying to get the seed out of an avocado. So your results may vary, but be careful when you use a knife to get the seed out. So far, so good. Now, I don't have an exact measurement to how much onions. Just make sure they're purple so there's some color contrast. Now we're going to mix it up. And there it is, guacamole.